sure there are some of you who miss out on your grandmother's kitchen that is completely finished in real solid wood. But of course, nobody has time or patience to maintain one in today's day-to-day lifestyle. So we have an option for that where we give you this wooden decorative imported laminates that give you the same look and feel of real wood, but at the cost and zero maintenance of a laminate. And to tweak it a little bit and give it a modern finish, we have given high gloss laminate for the overheads. Instead of the sink bowl with a drain board option, we now move into a sleek sink option where you have these attachments for washing your vegetables or these sleek cutting boards that seamlessly fit onto your sink. For your bottom unit, right below the sink, we've given a shutter option that comes with a holder for the dustbin and a pull-out for your detergents. Right above the sink, we suggest you a drain board for your plates. We also have some new storage spaces for your thali plates. So this modern looking kitchen also gives you ample space to keep your thali plates.